Hello and welcome to the first phase of my final project. We're getting near the end of the school year, but alright, let me just get right into it because you said no fluff. So, I haven't really cleaned up the blocks yet, so it's looking a bit messy. But basically what I've done is I've changed the procedure here from the quiz app into setting the images that I want correctly. That's the procedure for the begin quiz instead of having that be the first thing that you see on the screen. I made it when screen 1 initializes, so when the first screen opens, it calls the first screen function, which is located right here, and it sets my image. It changes the question label to something that I want, and it changes the correct label to blank. When the button begin clicks, it calls this, which was the original quiz app function, and then it sets the begin visible to false, so that button goes away once you click begin. And I have the hyperlink here, the activity starter, BlockGeeks, that's the link that I have. Then, as you can see here, this is the user interface that I've made. Click here to begin works. I'll click that in a second. This is the link. But unfortunately, the link doesn't seem to load, and there's a data connectivity problem, which is weird to me. So I was thinking that I'll troubleshoot that later. I couldn't figure it out in these times. When you begin, I haven't changed the images yet, but I have some of the questions already and my score system set up, which I will then build upon to make a full game system so that it's its own separate thing. Alright, thanks for listening.